Ever wondered, how much cash can I actually pull out of my Westpac account? It's a common question, and understanding your withdrawal limits is key to managing your money effectively. Whether you need a small amount for daily expenses or a larger sum for a significant purchase, knowing the ins and outs of Westpac's policies can save you time and hassle. Let's break down the different ways you can access your cash and what limits apply. ATM withdrawals. For most Westpac customers using a debit MasterCard, the default daily ATM cash withdrawal limit is $1,000. This limit is in place for your security and helps protect you against fraudulent activity. However, it's important to know that this isn't a rigid, unchangeable ceiling. Westpac allows you to manage your daily withdrawal limit. You can actually increase or decrease this limit directly through your online banking or the Westpac app. While the exact maximum you can set might vary, typically you can increase it up to $2,000 for ATM withdrawals. Always check the specific terms within your banking app or online portal for the most up-to-date information on what you can set. Keep in mind that while Westpac doesn't charge ATM withdrawal fees at its own ATMs or those within its global ATM alliance, other ATM operators might. So, be mindful of those third-party fees. Over-the-counter withdrawals at a branch. What if you need to withdraw a larger amount than what an ATM allows? That's where visiting a Westpac branch comes in. There isn't a strict published maximum daily limit for over-the-counter withdrawals, but there are a few things to consider. For larger sums, it's generally recommended to give Westpac prior notice. While smaller amounts can usually be withdrawn without a heads-up, asking for a significant amount of cash, e.g., several thousands of dollars or more, without notice might lead to delays while the branch ensures they have sufficient cash on hand. For very large withdrawals, they might even require a few business days' notice. Also, be prepared for potential security questions. For larger cash withdrawals, Westpac staff might ask about the purpose of the withdrawal. This isn't to be nosy, but rather a crucial part of their security protocols to protect you from scams and fraud. They might also ask for secondary identification, like a driver's license or passport, in addition to your card and PIN. Other considerations. FPOS cash out. When you make a purchase at a point of sale, POS, terminal, you can often request cash out. This is usually subject to the merchant's discretion and available cash, but it will also count towards your overall daily card limit. Joint accounts. If you have a joint account, another account holder with their own card could potentially use their card to make a separate withdrawal, effectively allowing more cash to be withdrawn in a day, subject to their individual card limits. Security. Daily limits are primarily in place for your financial security. If your card is compromised, these limits minimize potential losses. Ultimately, Westpac provides flexibility for cash withdrawals. For standard daily needs, ATMs are convenient, and for larger sums, a visit to a branch with some advance notice is your best bet. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.